like another more tutorial, or what kind of tutorials to be taught? Hello guys, welcome to our art class. For today's video, I will be teaching you a bit of tutorial on how to paint your own artworks. Remember the last time gumawa tayo ng letter cutouts? Then I teach you the basic technique on how to cut your styrofoam in a perfect way with just an ordinary cutter. Okay, so sa ngayon we'll be painting it, and I'll be teaching you the most basic way of painting your artworks and how to paint it on a very basic start and end it up with a bit of twist like a pro. But but first I will be teaching you on what materials are we gonna use for your very first artwork. All we need is these. Yeah, our brush, our paints. Okay, for the paints, kailangan lang natin ng water-based colors on our styrofoam because kung hindi siya water-based, it will melt down the styro. These are the brands that I commonly use. I'm not loyal to this, I'm not loyal to this because every brand have different colors. They have different mixture talaga. On this brand, Well Coat, okay. I actually don't advertise their names or brands. Pero, malay mo. But anyway, kasi on Well Coat paints, I like the red color, the blue, and the green. I hate the yellow on Well Coat. On Boysen, I like the yellow, the black, and that's it. And some other brands too, pero I commonly use the Well Coat. Okay, when we say water-based colors, we can only choose between the poster color, or there is a styrofoam paint, or much cheaper, the latex tinting color. It doesn't need to be a tinting color just as long as it is water-based. When we say water-based paints, ibig sabihin nun, tubig lang yung ginagamit natin panghalo. We don't need the lacquer thinner, the paint thinner, or any kind of thinning substance para i-mix mo dun sa pintura mo. So definitely, we cannot use the aerosol type lacquer paints on the styrofoam because it will melt the styro talaga. Sometimes may nakikita kayo sa mga YouTube videos na gumagamit ng mga aerosol lacquer for the artworks. Yes, we can use that on the styro, but there's another method on paano gamitin yan. Well, someday I'll make some video on that. But for now, I'll be teaching you the very basic. Alright, let's start. Okay, kung napapansin nyo yung pintura natin has been upside down. Ginagawa ko talaga yan kasi all the colors of these paints, yung color pigment niya, nasa ilalim ng lahat. So, para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pag-mix, we just have to turn it upside down before we use or whenever we stock the paints. That's what I do. Para naman we don't have to mix it so much harder as we had to. So that's one technique. Well, anyway, let's proceed. Let's start with this. Kailangan mo yung unahin yung pag-paint ng kilid niya. Paint all through all the sides. So it will be more easier. Then you lie it down. Use na lang some holding tools para naman it's not that kind of messy on your part. Alright, done with the red. Set aside. Alright, unahin natin tong letter T. Have now the letter A and the letter T. I told you paints, it's a bit of mess. This letter R naman, we'll try to put a bit of twist on it para kahit na baguhan lang kayo, you know a basic way of painting it like a pro. Okay, let's start from the red one. Kahit na hindi na natin pinturahan yung gilid. Okay, para medyo hindi siya, it won't make any mess in here on the sides. You can start from the center going out and your brush strokes will be sideways that way. So you won't put a little mess on the sides. So it would be more pleasant than you ever know. See, nakikita nyo, I started from the center, going sides. And my brush strokes is sideways. Kasi we have to be very careful not to spill off any on the sides. just take it easy para hindi masira yung araw nyo. See? This is what I'm telling you about. Hindi lang yan. We have to blend a bit of color para meron siyang tinatawag natin na shadowing. Just lightly paint sideways. You don't need to go through all down. Because guys, when we mix the red color and the yellow color, it will turn out to be orange. See? So even if you're just a beginner or beginning to paint on your artworks, at least you know how to blend the colors. So guys, this is it. So this is it guys. I really hope you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you really like this video, just give a thumbs up and try to subscribe on our channel. And if you got something on your mind, please comment down below. Just comment down below or say something or any suggestion video that you want us to do next. So once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.